Yo, what up everybody, BF Collection back at it again with another unwrapping. Today we got ourselves the third and final version I need to complete my set of the Going Down hoodie. In here we got ourselves a Going Down. This one was released at like Hot Topic and stuff. I have no idea when, but I've seen them pop up online and knew I had to get one. While I open this, another reason why I wanted to get this was this sizing is a XXL. And from what I know, what I've seen, I've never seen a XXL piece from X's team whatsoever. So this would be a first. And hopefully not the last, but you never know. Hope you guys heard all that while I was opening this, because I know when I watch these back, there's a lot of like audio that's messed up during this part. You really shoved this in there. Oh crap. I gotta blur that out or something now. Probably just solve the jewels. The Addy. Alright. Take this out. Oh. Boom. Very nice. It's gonna be right here. There it is. So here's the front graphic in screen print. It's X's name, Xxxtentacion. And we got, I want to show you guys that tag. Yeah, perfect. Super soft on the inside. But look at that. A XXL tag. Made in China. But a XXL. This is pretty dang rare because I only see XXL. So having a XXL is very unique in my opinion. But now the reason why I got it. Whoa. Okay. So here's the back. It's the Going Down hoodie. So now I'm really glad I got this because the detailing is atrocious compared to the other ones. Like, look at that. That's supposed to be the press badge. You can barely see that thing. That is crazy. Yeah, definitely doing comparisons of all three. This is going to be a great comparison. But man, is it soft on the inside. Brand new. We got ourselves the 3XL tag. Made in China. The RN numbers on all that good stuff. Very cool. Very cool. Very happy with it. Brand spanking new, like I said. And, yeah, let's get this out just for the one time. See how big it is. It's a big hood. Drawstrings. Pretty cool. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great, awesome day. All that good stuff. Until next time.